when he said this is legendary. Bro, come on. He is one of the top right now in the game of basketball. And him telling your work is legendary? Come on, man.
My name is Maya Karandang, one of the founders of Philippine All-Stars hip-hop dance group, 2 times champion in the world. And now, I venture into art, mural, tattooing, designs, and circumcision. The joke lang yun. I've been painting basketball courts since 2015. We started painting LeBron James, and then that basketball court was actually visited by LeBron James. From then on, we kept painting, and then I found myself one day when I painted Kobe Bryant when he passed. You know that feeling when you finish a painting and you know you did it by just heart, all heart. That emotion, that fulfillment in there at that moment, it's like feeding my soul. Sobrang sarap eh. And yun yung bagay na hinahanap ko palagi. I have been longing for that feeling and been looking for that feeling since 2020. And then now, sabi ko, maybe I will feel that again if I have to do this. Painting courts, beautification, beautifying places, creating masterpieces on basketball courts for love, love of country. That's when I came up with Maya 100. My aim is to paint 100 basketball courts. Before, when I paint basketball courts, parang ano lang eh. Wala pa ako doon sa isip na it's a big deal eh. But nag-iba na. Naisip ko, along the way, na ang basketball court pala, isang lugar yan kung saan nag-gather ang mga tao. Nandiyan ang kasalan, nandiyan ang birthday, nandiyan ang dance competition, nandiyan ang rock band competition. You get me? Lahat nangyayari dyan. So, why not beautify it? It's a home na lahat pwede. Lahat pwedeng makihalo, mag-join, makisaya, makiselebrate dito sa Pilipinas. So when I founded Maya 100, there's this guy who messaged me, Kuya, can you do La Union? And then he sent me a photo of the basketball court. Yung nakita ko, kinikilabutan ako. Nung nakita ko, tabing dagat! I was like, oh! Alam mo yung love at first sight ka? Ay, naiyak. Alam mo yung pag ginawa mo dito yung kauna-unahan mong pinta, alam mong buong-buo yung spirito at alam mong it's meant to be in that place. Yun yung naramdaman ko dito. That's why I decided, ito talaga siya. La Union means unity. Diba? Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Sakto, yun yung ginagawa natin eh. You know, bayanihan, unity, pakikipagkapa, pakikisama. Sama-sama tayong gagawa, mag-beautify ng place. If technicalities, maraming challenges talaga dyan, pero pwede ko siya i-disregard eh. Because we have the spirit eh. We have the mental eh. It's stronger than our technicals. Yung init, syempre. Pero it doesn't matter. You're still gonna do it. Because you love what you're doing. If you love what you're doing, really, you don't care what's the technicalities or the difficulties in there. Wala nang pakialam eh. You just wanna finish it and enjoy the more because you're already given the opportunity to do it. Eh before, pinapangarap mo lang. Before, hinahanapan mo lang kung sino susuporta sa'yo. Now, everything, all the people that you need support from, they're there eh. So just do it. Just do it.
Typhoon Karina continues to bring rains and powerful winds to parts of Luzon.
At least a dozen landslides and floods over 5 days have displaced 600,000 people.
Positive lahat eh. Like I was really excited to finish it in like, what, 5 days? Kasi yun ang malagi kong target. But then, we didn't expect the typhoon, Karina. Holy cow! Bakit siya dumating? Kalmado pa rin naman ako. I was still feeling, you know, hopeful na talaga matatapos namin. Pero hindi namin naasahan na every night pala, uulan din. So yung ibang areas na pinipinturahan namin, nawawash out. Ilang beses nangyari yun. So paulit-ulit kami. Ginagawa ko na lang positive yung sarili ko na maybe God is challenging me at tinatanong niya sa akin, sigurado ka Maya, ito ba yung gusto mong gawin? Kung ito talaga yung gusto mong gawin, tignan ko nga. Boom! Ulan! Araw! Boom! Ulan ulit! Wash out! Linis dito, linis dyan. Yung team, nililinis na yung court kasi nagbabaha sa court eh. Tinatanggal nila yung tubig every time uulan. Tapos alam mo yun, madadry up na siya, biglang uulan na naman. Paulit-ulit na ganun. But then I was like, sige lang, we will finish this. Sabihin ko, pag huminto ang ulan, tira tayo ulit para matapos na natin to. But then it wouldn't stop. Wala talaga. It was cut short. Every time we tried to finish, it was always cut short yung trabaho namin. It's still raining, boom, ulan. You know what? Before, I was really having a hard time kasi parang suntok sa buwan eh. You're gonna paint a basketball court, 100? Hindi ko kaya, ako na mag-isa. Napaka-imposible noon. So ngayon, tinatanong mo sa akin, kung itutuloy ka pa ba pag may mga ganitong mga pangyayari? Yes, you know why? Because there's one guy. Na nagtiwala. Na naniniwala. Kuya Tony. Siya lang yung tao naniwala. Na, Maya, you know what? Do it. Because what you're doing is good. I'll be there. Sorry. Sinong gagawa nun? Si Kuya Tony lang eh. Diba? Ngayon nandyan na siya, hindi ko siya let down. You know, he won't regret this. I will do the 100 court kahit mahirap pa yan. Kasi may isang tao nagtitiwala sa akin. That's Kuya Tony. Now, my family even visited me here. They want to see what I'm trying to do with the community. They're really proud of it. Alam mo naman mga nanay eh, talagang minsan stage mom yung mga like, yo, go! You got me? Pero alam mo yung support na pagmamahal ng pamilya, hindi matatawaran ng kahit ano yun. Ganun talaga mga Pinoy. Pag pamilya na ang sumuporta sa'yo, parang napaka-powerful mo na, parang, alam mo yun, napaka-strong mo, sobra na, yo, you can't give up. Kuya Tony and my family, they're the same. Yung ganoong relasyon, tulungan, hospitality, bayanihan, right? Yun eh. Yun yung masarap dun eh.
Nung natapos na siya, I was just there sa ibabaw ng stage. Pinapanood ko lang silang lahat. Yung pagod mo for those days na tinalabaho niyo yun, parang dun dumating. Yes, finally. So that's what happened doon sa La Union. And the great story there was, when I posted a photo, sabi ko, Uncle Drew, come visit Philippines. Boom! Sinagot ni Kyrie after 12 hours. And then nung siya, ang ingay na ng social media, I was like, is this really happening? Nangyayari nga. Nangyayari. Nung una, iniisip ko lang siya. Sabi ko pa nga, what if I paint Kyrie in La Union? That will be the reason why he's gonna come to the Philippines. And now Kyrie commented on that post. Thank you for the love and all. And then maybe next year, I just need an invitation. I was like, sabi ko, yo, God, you know what? You're crazy. Everything's aligning right now. Kuya Tony called me. Pag-open ng WhatsApp namin, Kuya, Vibo, so like, Maya. Siya ang dahilan talaga kung bakit natuloy ito. He's been there for me ever since. When I was struggling, he would ask me, Maya, how are you? Maya, do you need anything? Maya, are you okay? All the time. I feel like he feels me. When I needed somebody, Kuya was there. At iba yung tinuturing kanyang kapatid. Yes, he's from the States. He's Philham. He never really experienced how to be a Filipino, really. But putik man, yung puso niya. Pinoy na Pinoy na Pinoy. He just wants to help. He wants you to win. That's what Kuya is. Every time, he reminds me that, Maya, I just want you to win. Like everybody else in the Philippines, I want Philippines to win. Lagi lang yun ang sinasabi niya. Win. Win in life. Win. That's what Kuya is. And that's what this was all about. Beautiful things happen when Filipinos become one.